you know your heart beats 100,000 times a day? It's working non-stop to keep you alive. But what if I told you that most of us are unknowingly putting our hearts at risk? Heart attacks are not just for the elderly. Many people in their 40s and 50s are facing life-threatening heart conditions. But the good news? You can prevent it! Your heart is the most important organ in your body, yet it's often the most neglected. We ignore the signs of stress, poor diet, and lack of exercise, thinking we're invincible. However, the truth is that with simple lifestyle changes, you can protect your heart and ensure it stays strong for years to come. Let's dive into some key habits that can save your heart from a heart attack. Every day, millions of people put their heart health at risk by making poor choices, from unhealthy food to stress and lack of sleep. These habits can slowly destroy the very organ that keeps you alive. But the power is in your hands. You can change the course of your health and protect your heart. Your heart is a muscle, just like the rest of your body. It needs exercise to stay strong and healthy. Walking, light exercise, or even playing games are all great ways to keep your heart pumping and your body moving. Regular movement helps improve circulation, strengthens the heart muscle, and keeps your blood pressure in check. Your diet plays a huge role in heart health. Processed foods like fast food, sugary treats, and unhealthy oils are the biggest culprits in damaging your heart. Instead, focus on natural foods, olive oil, ghee, fresh vegetables, and lean proteins. These foods nourish your heart, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels. Skipping sleep isn't just bad for your energy, it's harmful to your heart too. Lack of sleep increases blood pressure and inflammation, which puts unnecessary stress on your heart. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to keep your heart functioning at its best. Stress doesn't just affect your mind, it affects your heart too. When you're stressed, your blood pressure rises and your heart has to work harder. Chronic stress can lead to heart disease over time. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or simply take a walk to reduce stress and protect your heart. Dehydration is often overlooked, but it's crucial for heart health. When you're not drinking enough water, your blood thickens, making it harder for your heart to pump it through your body. This can put extra strain on your heart. Make it a habit to drink at least 3 liters of water daily to keep your blood flowing smoothly. Excess fat, especially around your belly, can clog arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. This fat can obstruct blood flow, making it harder for your heart to work efficiently. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and staying active will help you shed excess fat and reduce the burden on your heart. Your heart is the powerhouse of your body, and it's in your hands to protect it. By making small changes like staying active, eating better, getting enough sleep, managing stress, drinking water, and burning excess fat, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and enjoy a longer, healthier life. It's never too late to start taking care of your heart. In summary, your heart works tirelessly for you every day. Show it the respect it deserves by making simple lifestyle changes. It only takes a few adjustments to ensure your heart stays strong and healthy for years to come. The power to protect your heart is in your hands. If you're ready to take charge of your heart health, start making these changes today. Share this video with someone you care about, and together, let's keep our hearts strong